Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use TraceKit from the terminal. I spend most of my time in the terminal, so basically my daily routine is at work. I am always in the terminal, or I'm on Jira writing some specification, or I am actually coding. These days I mostly code with AI now, so I spend more time doing the planning. That aside, but what I want to show you in this video is basically how to use TraceKit from the terminal if you're someone who is basically spending most of your time in the terminal. So we do have a CLI tool, and there will be another video where I can show you how to install it, but today I just want to quickly show you what are the things that you can do from the CLI. So I already have it installed on my Mac. So I'm going to do TraceKit to just check the version. And what I can do now is basically take a look at my dashboard. So let's say TraceKit dashboard. And that's basically going to load my dashboard. So the same thing that you would see when you go on the actual TraceKit website. You can see the health score, number of services. You can see the total number of requests that's coming within the time frame. So this time frame is a 1 hour time frame. If I wanted to look at the 2 hour time frame, I could just press 2 on my keyboard and that would load the 2 hour time frame, and it is refreshing, I think, every 30 seconds or so. And you can also see details about the error messages, active alerts on your account, and also the different services, right? And from here, what I would usually do is press Command N to move to a different screen. So the one that is more interesting to me is I'm either looking at traces or logs or incidents. So those are the three that I'm mostly looking at. So you can from here select traces, and it will load traces for the last 24 hours for different services, and you have different options here to maybe you want to narrow that down to a specific service. So you could type slash and then pick a specific service. I don't want to do that, so I'm going to press escape. And here you can also just drill down to a specific trace, right? So you can drill down, and then it's going to load details about that trace, and also load all the spans there. So this trace only has one span. So and now I'm going to hit escape to go back, and I'm going to press Control N again, and then we can do logs, or we can do services, we can do alert or incident. So let's do incidents. Okay, so that's going to load out all those different incidents, and you can see their statuses if they're open and assigned to specific teams, and basically we also have options here to mark incidents as resolved. So if I want to mark this as resolved after the investigation, I'll just press R on the keyboard, and then issue fixed. And that's basically going to mark that issue as resolved. So this status should be changing once it's refreshed. So now you can see it's resolved. And we also have other options here. If you want to snooze a specific incident, that will be Z on the keyboard. For how long do you want to snooze it? And so essentially what you can do on the dashboard, you can basically also do most of those operations here. So I'm going to go back again, Control N, and say let's look at logs. So logs basically allow you to see live traces. So as they're coming into TraceKit from your application, you can essentially also just monitor them here, monitor the stream. So you can see right now this is from my live applications, and as the trace comes, it will be displayed here. So you can see it on the dashboard, or you can, if you're someone who loves to use terminal like me, so you can basically just look at it on the terminal here.